Okay, so gonna be a quick video installing this Midea portable air conditioner. I specifically got the portable one because I've got a 20-inch window, and this is supposed to work with as little as 19.5 inches wide, so hopefully that works out. And I'm adding it in this house that's the main AC unit's having a hard time keeping up in the summertime, so hopefully this will help cool the house off a little bit. So we'll start off with some unboxing. Okay, so as always, just wanted to check to make sure I have everything I need. And I do. Everything I needed came in the box, so we'll go ahead and get started with installation. So it looks like first we're going to put together the exhaust hose and then put together the window. So the exhaust hose should be pretty simple, those two black pieces in the hose. And then the window slider. Just need to figure out which size fits my 20-inch window from these pieces. I'm assuming it's going to be just a simple 1+2. It looks like you put a little bolt in it, which I'm guessing are these little white plastic bolts. So I'll get started with that. So this looks pretty straightforward. So again, I've got my two pieces cut, or not cut. I just grab the piece you need, and then the smallest piece for my window. They just slide together. So it's going to sit in something like that. And then the window is going to come down, sit on top of it. That's basically it. So before you drop this in, I want you to take these strips, the long adhesive strips, and put them on your window for installation. So again, pretty straightforward. Right there. Just run them on the bottom of the window here. Okay. And then do the same thing for the bottom. Some pretty straightforward stuff here. Trying to do this quick. We've got the window open, it's hot. Okay. And the bottom there. And then you've got these two strips, which just go on the side, so just make sure they bottom out. Put them inside here. I guess alternatively, you could also put them on the end of this. But anyways, because you put them on the side here. So I'll do that there. It's very sticky. Thing over here. Okay, so you put this in place. That it's not clear which way this goes, inside or out. And then you're supposed to get these little push pins, push it in this hole. Okay, that stops anybody from opening it from the outside. And then just close your window down on top of it. That creates a decent seal. And then you take your non-adhesive foam and just shove it into this little crack here in between the top of your window and the glass. Just keep bugs out and stuff. So I'm going to cut that to length and stuff in there. And then you just hook up this hose that comes with, so push it in, so it flicks. Well, that's going to be a problem. Where does it fit? This has to come up some. if that's something special about our window, this trim here or what, but because of this panel here, this wouldn't clip in, so I had to open the window and pull this up some. So now I got a big gap on the bottom. So I'm gonna have to get a piece of wood or something to put on the bottom there. But for now, let's do that. Maybe I'll shove some of this foam on the outside instead. Okay, put this back in my window crack in a second. Then the other side, looks like it goes into here and turns and locks. So, figure out how that turns in and locks. And it just comes in from the top and pushes down. You just have to line it up. I think that's it. You just take all this blue tape off everywhere, plug it in, see if it works. Okay, so it's pretty quick, and it's on and it's blowing cold, so that's good. I'm gonna go look at what I need to do about my back window again. So again, here's my problem that this wants to sit lower all the way down, but it can't because this piece of wood here was blocking this connection. So let me see if I can show you from the outside. Okay, so I was wrong. I think this piece, I just realized that it's notched out here. See in the corners? So I thought this was supposed to sit down here in this channel, you know, inside of here, but it's actually supposed to sit pulled back against the edge there. Where those corners notched out against that piece. So it's supposed to push it towards the inside. I'm outside the house right now, so push it towards the inside so it catches this corner on both sides, and then put your window down, and then it should fit correctly. That view from the inside, hopefully you can see with the glare and everything. So this, you want that to be pulled forward inside so that it hits the side of the window there, and then push the window down. That's why the corners are notched out like that. So, but besides that, pretty straightforward installation, and it's already cooling off the house. So yeah, if you got any questions, let me know. If I have any issues with this, I'll make sure to post it in the comments below. So today is June 26, 2025. If I got any problems with it, I'll post in the comments below. Thanks for watching.